The development of the device powering the industrial plasma processes begins with the selection of the topology of the device, enabling it to meet all the customer's requirements, such as voltage, power, frequency, or dynamics of its operation. Simulations of the electromagnetic field or coolant flows are then carried out to check whether the design corresponds to the assumed parameter set. When the design is ready, work begins on the device prototype. At this stage, the printed circuit boards and the mechanical design of the device powering the plasma process are created. At the same time, engineers are working on control as well as regulation and measurement algorithms that will allow the plasma processes to be carried out. Developers prepare software for FPGA systems and microprocessors, which are the heart of the control board of these devices. The design of a plasma generator basically consists of a heat sink through which the cooling water flows, power elements, and printed circuit boards. However, there are approximately 30,000 components that make up the plasma generator in total. For comparison, the average car consists of about 12,000 parts.